Alright, so my name is Austin Sherrill, and for Tech Talk 2, I will be talking about Orion, which is NASA's new space exploration vehicle. So, what is Orion? NASA's Orion spacecraft is built to take humans farther than they've ever gone before. Orion will serve as the exploration vehicle that will carry the crew to space, provide emergency abort capabilities, sustain the crew during the space travel, and provide safe re-entry from deep space return velocities. A lot of people know that NASA recently canceled its space exploration program and retired its shuttle, the space shuttle, and turned it over to the private sector. But what a lot of people don't know is that NASA is actually currently working with Lockheed Martin on this new development called Orion, which is not the actual rocket system, but it is in this picture up here, the up on the top left. It's where the crew actually stays, and it's the launch abort system. So then it says in the future, Orion will launch on NASA's new heavy lift rocket, the Space Launch System. Right now, it's launched on the Delta IV rocket system, and this new rocket system is going to be more powerful than any rocket ever built, and it'll be capable of sending humans to deep space destinations such as an asteroid and eventually Mars. Exploration Mission 1 will be the first mission to integrate Orion and the Space Launch System. So, Orion's features. Orion features dozens of technology advancements and innovations that have been incorporated into the spacecraft's design. It includes both crew and service modules, a spacecraft adapter, and a revolutionary launch abort system that will significantly increase crew safety. That's one of the main things, is one of the main reasons why NASA got away from the space shuttle and is focusing now on the classic rocket pod system they used to do with the Apollo rockets back in the 60s, because of the ability to abort on launch in case they need to get the astronauts back. So Orion's unique life support, propulsion, thermal protection, and avionics system in combination with other elements will enable extended duration deep space missions. Another major aspect of Orion is that the systems will have been developed to facilitate integration of new technological innovations as they become available in the future. So this was also another thing that the space shuttle wasn't exactly the greatest at, was integrating new technology as it came out, which was quite a bit. It's over the space shuttle's, I believe it was like 30-year existence. So the actual Orion spacecraft, the main part of the spacecraft is the launch abort system, which is positioned above the crew module, and it can activate to pull the crew to safety and position the module for a safe landing on takeoff and before it departs from the crew module once it first enters space. And the crew module is capable of transporting 4 crew members beyond low Earth orbit, providing a safe habitat from launch through landing and recovery. This is basically where the crew lives, and it's got like a 16.5 feet diameter, which is about 5 feet bigger than the Apollo crew modules. The last main piece of the Orion spacecraft is the service module, which can be seen in the picture below, and it provides support to the crew module from launch through crew module separation prior to entry. So when it's re-entering the Earth's atmosphere, it provides in-space propulsion capability for orbital transfer, so that way it can move around in space. Attitude control and high altitude ascent aborts. While mated with the crew module, it also provides water, oxygen, and nitrogen to support the crew module living environment, generates and stores power while in space, and provides primary thermal control. The service module has the capability to accommodate unpressurized cargo. So basically, this is a place where they store all the additional things that's needed for the crew module that there isn't enough space to put in the crew module, and it's used to navigate around while they're in space as well. Thank you.